We are team one. We are going to presentation on recruitment and selection process of beverage industry. Introduction of Pepsi. Introduction of Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Most commonly called Pepsi is a soft drink produced by PepsiCo, which is sold worldwide in stores, restaurants, and a vending machines. The brand was trademarked on June 6, 1903. Through the drink was made on 28, 1898 by pharmacist Caleb Bradham. PepsiCo division operator in three major US and international business beverages, snacks, foods, and restaurants. The operations in increasing success has been based on high standards of performance of marketing strategies, competitive determination, commitment, and the personal and professional integrity of their personal product and business practices. Vision of to deliver their financial performance over the long term by integrating sustainability into our business strategy, leaving a positive imprint on society and the environment. Mission to provide consumers around the world with delicious, affordable, convenient, and complimentary foods and beverages, from wholesale breakfast to healthy and fun daytime snacks and beverages to evening treats. Job advertisement. And next slide will continue by Saubhagya.
Next. Recruitment and selection. Recruitment refers to the overall process of attracting the candidates, shortlisting them, taking the interview, and asking them to no take sorry pause. Recruitment process. Recruitment refers to overall process of attracting, shortlisting, and selecting and appointing the suitable candidate for a right job. And selection refers to the process of choosing a right person for a right job in the organization. And after this, the orientation takes place. Next slide. Here are the recruitment process steps: recruitment planning, strategy development, searching, screening, evaluating, and controlling. Next. The recruitment process in PepsiCo is as follows. Here in PepsiCo, they hire around 9,500 employees every year for manufacturing, selling the drinks and distributing them all over the world. And they hike up their hires around 4,000 in summer days. And they use
There are two recruitment sources that the PepsiCo follows, that is internal source of recruitment and external source of recruitment. Internal sources, they recruit the employees from within their organization, and the announcement of job vacancies will be made through bulletin boards, memos, and other internal sources. And it occurs at the time when if any employees expire or any retirement or transfer promotion takes place in the organization. And HR collects the information if there are past records and the performance, and if the person is capable, then he can hire him for the post. Next. External sources. External source. PepsiCo usually do the advertising through newspapers and advertisements through official website, and even they conduct the campus interviews as well as they do the walk-ins. Uh, walk-ins are also allowed. Then they collect the applications from the candidates and also check the potentiality and the talent of the person. If they find that the candidate is appropriate for the particular job, then they will offer him offer letter. Then PepsiCo find direct application from candidates is most cheap and least expensive approach. Next slide will be continued by.
Thank you, Saubhagya. The selection process of the PepsiCo company. First of all, the initial screening of all the applications and the resumes against the program's requirements make. Then after that, candidates screened are asked to complete the online personality questionnaires specially designed in order to select the candidates for the next stage. Then the candidates complete online tests and comprehensive personality questionnaires. The candidates asked to complete a similar follow-up test for them. Then the follow-up the test will be in a short form and will be completed under the supervision of the PepsiCo HR manager in order to the verify performance between the two test results. Then the final stage is a participation in an assessment center for assessment comprising of a case studies exercise, group discussion and important or structured. Then after the obtaining information through the proceeding steps, selection decisions is the most critical of all the steps must be made. Then the other stage is a selection process have been used to narrow the number of candidates, and the final decision has to be made from the pool of individuals who pass the test, interviews and references checks. The view of the line manager will be generally considered in the final selection because it is he who is responsible for the performance of the employees. The HR manager plays a critical role in the final selection. The next slide will be continued by Shweta.
Thank you, Savita. Introduction of Coca-Cola. Thank you, Savita. Introduction of a Coca-Cola company. Coca-Cola company is a carbonated soft drink produced by the Coca-Cola company of Atlanta, Georgia. Then the Coca-Cola company is an American multinational beverage corporation and manufacturer and retailer and marketer of a non-alcoholic beverage concentrate and syrups. Coca-Cola currently offered more than 500 brands in overall 200 countries and territory and surveys over 1.5 billion servings each day of Coca-Cola company. And next, founder of Coca-Cola company. Founder of Coca-Cola company is united in 1886 by pharmacist John Street Pemberton in Columbus, Georgia. And the next Coca-Cola company formula and brand was bought in 1889 by Asa Candler, who incorporated the Coca-Cola company in 1892. And next mission of Coca-Cola company to reference the word to inspire moments of optimism and happiness, and then to create a value and make a difference. Vision of Coca-Cola company serves as the framework for our roadmap and guides every aspect of our business by describing what we need to accomplished in order to continue achieving sustainable and quality growth. And next, job advertisement. Job advertisement, it is a Coca-Cola company is the salary is best and best salary in industry. Any graduates can be applied by the job, and it is a best opportunity for every student, like employee, in, and it is a best given opportunity of every student of recruitment process of Coca-Cola company. And next, continue by the Kavita.
Thank you, Shweta. Recruitment process of the Coca-Cola. Their basic focus is on the internal requirement, and they maintain the talent bank for the meeting the internal hiring needs. And in case of the sudden recruitments, they only do the external hirings, and they forecast their future needs, and they collect the data of the applicants in advance, and they have an offer to drop a resume for any job at their website. Next. And to fulfill their talent bank, they visit the universities and the colleges and collect the resumes at their every territory. And they take the interviews of the 350 candidates and select only 3 applicants. And their major focus is on a quality, and their standards of the recruitments are high. Next slide, continue by the Triveni.
Thank you, Kavita. Selection tools at Coca-Cola. The selection process will vary depending on the position you are applying for, as one process cannot fill all the different roles we have here at CCE. CCE means Coca-Cola Enterprise. However, in most cases, a combination of any of the following tools will be used: group exercise, presentation, psychometric test, role play, situational exercises, interview. Selection test. Concept of reliability and validity. The reliability of an assessment test is the extent to which it measures learning constantly. The validity of an assessment test is the extent by which it measures what it was designed to measure. Selection process at Coca-Cola. Ads in newspaper and website. Candidates apply through CV. Eligible candidate are called for written test, screen interview, and major interview joining. Thank you.